Welcome to Larry's Garage. Today we're going to be unboxing my tool chests, cabinets, carts, whatever they are. Yeah, it's been kind of frustrating lately. I can't find the tools I need, so I'm gonna unbox these and start to get organized. So we're gonna do the Yukon mobile workbench first, and if we have enough time, then we'll do the US General 34-inch master cart, tech cart. So anyway, stay tuned. Okay, it's all assembled. I'm relatively pleased with it. It wasn't too hard to assemble. Just put the wheels on and the handle on, and it's designed where you can put the handle on either end, whichever end you prefer. One thing that these little bins that are made to hang on the inside of the doors, there's attached with these little hooks here. And as I was trying to install this one of the hooks broke off. So, and they're quite flimsy, the little hooks are. So, but you can bend them easily with your fingers. So, disappointed in that, but I wasn't really counting on the bends necessarily. So, don't know how big a deal that's going to be. And I don't know if it, what kind of warranty, if any, there is on those. So anyway, one down, one to go. So I'll try to get started on the other one. Okay, I'm going to continue with assembling the other toolbox or cart. So hopefully it'll go smoothly as well. Okay, the rolling tech cart is assembled. Basically, I just had to put wheels and handle on it, on both of these. Just wheels and handle. Some observations on this particular cart. It's much heavier than the other one, so I'm assuming that means it's more well made. And the bolts that you put the wheels on with, they come pre-assembled with the lock nut and the washer. And they don't come off, so they come that way. And on each of the wheels, let's see if I can get in there where you can see. Yeah, right there on each of the wheels is a grease zert, so you can grease the bearings on the wheels. Kind of cool. I haven't noticed that on anything else. And it didn't mention it anywhere in any of the documentation. I just noticed it as I was putting the wheels on. anyway, if you have any questions about either, okay, this is going to take some getting used to. It's going to lock and unlock. So you have to unlock it before you can open the drawers. And then there's you have to pull to the left slightly to get the drawer open. See, there's a little catch right there. But anyway, they all come, both cabinets came with drawer liners. They seem to be ball bearing drawer slides. Not 100% sure about that. But anyway, now I can start putting my tools away. Cool beans. As always, if you have any questions or comments, leave them below and let me know what you like or don't like, and we'll go from there. Thank you for watching.